Hi guys, it's Primrose and welcome back. And a few weeks ago, I was temporarily banned from buying any more houseplants. And guess what? It's been lifted, so I went right away. I went out and get some new additions. And I'm very excited to share them with you today. So we are looking at the first one. This is the Pylea Pro strata, and it's a small plant which I'm hoping to be able to grow big. I can see some rat tail like flowers already. So this was not in the best condition when I brought it home. The soil was very wet, very soggy, but I had no choice because this was the only one available. So not bad for a couple of pounds. And check out the pattern on the leaves. If you have seen a turtle before, so it looks like it looks very similar to a turtle shell. So this will be an addition to my trailing houseplant collection. So that's the Pylea Pro strata, and the second one is another trailing plant, and it looks very silvery, and the leaves are so delicate looking. So this is the Palioglauca, and again it's in this small pot and it looks very bushy and very full already, and I really like it. So that's the Palioglauca. And the third houseplant is a very easy to care for houseplant, and we are all familiar with this one. I could never get enough pothos in my collection. So I saw that the leaves are a lot larger and the variegation is different from the one that I already have. So I went ahead and get me another pothos. And the fourth one is the Dracena marginata. I believe this is a compact variety because the leaves are a lot shorter compared to the ones that I already have. The leaves are like 4 times longer than this one. And I have 3 stems going on there. And it looks like a candelabra and I really like it. I don't know if you can see that. The stem, it's got pink tone to it. And I haven't noticed it when we were at the garden center, so I was not able to inquire if this is natural or it's been dyed. But I will soon find out. And also, I love the reddish, purplish color of its leaves. So the last one, guys, is the plant that I have been feeling so guilty about, but who can resist the beauty of this one? It's looking a bit limp, the leaves. I think it's because of the weather. It's been gloomy and dark. It's been raining. And 2 things that I have been feeling guilty of this one is, first, it's a very finicky plant to care for. And I'm still trying to figure out how to grow this plant. Although I've already collected rainwater for my calatheas. And the second thing is that it was very pricey and I'm not even sure if it's gonna stay alive for me. And I don't like temporary plants. I prefer a plant that can stay with me, I can nurture for a long period of time. And I don't have a lot of plants that cost more than 15 pounds. I only have a few and this is one of them. So I kind of changed my mind. I told my husband to put it back for me and he went straight to the counter and paid for it. So this is the Calathea White Star, and it's a big plant and it costs a bit more. So please help me say some nice things about this plant to make me feel a lot better. And yeah, tell me which one was your favorite. I think I like all of them, but this is such a beautiful one. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. I will do my best to get this one to thrive for me. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!